Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you have never seen my face before, my name is Olivia, and if you are not new here, thank you for clicking on the video. Either way, thank you for clicking on the video. But y'all, it's finally time to go on this freaking trip. I am burnt out, I'm tired, I need a new surrounding. And all the girls know, before you go on the trip, you gotta prep, you gotta do maintenance, you gotta pack, you gotta shop, you gotta do all this last minute stuff. So that's what we about to get into in this vlog. As y'all can see, my nails look terrible. I purposely held out on getting my nails done because I know I wanted to make this vlog like the 1st of November. So that's probably what we're gonna do first. And honestly, the nail shop I be going to, I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can, but the nail shop I be going to, y'all, they be a little, I don't know, they be a little hostile sometimes when it comes to recording. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can, but just want to go ahead and unbox this hair with y'all. So this hair is from Eunice, and I'm about to, after I leave the nail shop, I'm gonna drop it off at my girl who does my hair. Shout out to Desiree. I'm gonna drop it off at her house so she can go ahead and, like, y'all know, customize and do all the other stuff. I don't not know like nothing that I'm doing, but this hair is from Eunice. And like I said, before we go get all into the video, this is my first time opening it, so I'm excited to see. I'm going to the Midwest. I think that's the Midwest. I don't know. I'm going to where it's still hot outside, so like the location that we're going to, it's still very much kind of giving summertime, even though it's fall here in Georgia where I live. So I wanted to do like some honey blonde, something with some highlights. And y'all, like, this really, so like I haven't had no install since my birthday, and that was February this year. So I am super excited. This is her. Like I said, it's kind of giving Beyonce just a little bit, but yeah, I just want to go ahead and unpackage this with y'all. This is, I will put the links in the description box of what it is, but of course it comes with a tie, some extremely long lashes that I will not be wearing, a wig cap, which my girl already got, and then this is cute. I guess it's for the hair. I don't know, this is a scarf. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. Look at that. This is gonna be cute, y'all. I can't wait to get my hair done. Like, bump all this other stuff. Like, once I get my hair done, I ain't gonna know how to act, you know. I'm not gonna know how to act. But yeah, let's just go ahead and head to the nail shop. So this is how the nails came out. I mean, I don't love them, I don't hate them either. Like, I don't know, either way. But like, I need to find me a personal like nail tech or whatever, because these nail places are getting so beside themselves. Okay, so for this fill-in, and I'm not complaining because, you know, I'm blessed to have money to be able to like afford to go get my nails done and stuff like that. But for a fill-in, a simple design like this, my toes are just white. I mean, it's gel polish, but it's just white. And for some eyebrows, that's $130. And then I like the tip, so that was like, but y'all just taxing like for no reason. Like, it ain't like it's groceries. Like, I remember the days you can go get a full set for $25 and the fill-in was probably $15. Like, that serious. Like, I don't know why the nail shop done got so beside themselves, but I really I really don't feel like dropping no more money today. Y'all just charging too much for no reason. It's not like it's groceries. Why are nail supplies inflated? I mean, all right. Anyway, let me not ramble and all that.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking, depend on me if I want it. The watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving, I depend on me. I depend on me. All your hands up at me. All the money make you money. Throw your hands up at me. All of my bucks
didn't really want to pick up my camera no more yesterday because them nails really pissed me off. Like, so I didn't come back on camera no more yesterday, but it's the next day. It's Sunday, so I went to church. I got out of church, and then I went to Walmart, and I just picked up a couple things, y'all. It was so hard for me not to pick up, like, it was just so much, because I haven't been to a big Walmart. Like, I always go to the neighborhood market, like the neighbor, y'all know what I'm talking about, the market, basically the Walmart with just like the groceries and stuff. It's been such a long time since I've been to the big Walmart, and they had so, I thought I saw something. They had so much hygiene stuff that I just wanted to try, and I was like, girl, you cannot be in here all day. So I just grabbed like a few quick things, because in my last vlog, I needed to re-up on some stuff anyway, but I just got this, Dove Restoring Coconut and Cocoa Butter Body Wash, this right here. So I wanted to, of course, this is for my trip, but this is for me to use at home as well, because I need to re-up on some body wash. But I usually use Dr. Bronner's, but now I'm in a, like, my skin is in like a better state now, that where I can kind of use like mildly scented stuff on it. So just got, y'all, this smells so good. It definitely, like, I don't know, is coconut a fall or a summer scent? Cause it's giving fall. And then finally I was able to find some Dove exfoliating body polish, and this is the crushed macadamia and rice milk. And when I tell y'all, this is that girl or that boy, whatever you want to call it, like, this smells amazing. Like, I cannot wait to try this tonight. And then I got some more Aussie moisturizing this conditioner, and I like this brand because, like, they don't charge an arm and a leg. Like, this whole thing was only like $3.97, so I like that brand, because when we prep for my hair appointment tomorrow, this is what I use to, like, deep condition my hair, and y'all see that process. And then I just got me a luggage tag, which I needed. I've been needed one of these, but I'm not gonna buy. I wanted to buy some more, like another suitcase, but I'm trying to be smart with my money, y'all. I already got a suitcase. I really don't need another one. But I just got this cute little luggage tag, and it has the name, address, telephone, and email on it. Because if you travel, you listen, you know that scare of not seeing your luggage come around on the belt. So, I mean, a luggage tag is always good to have, because your luggage can be returned to you. So that's what it's for. But yeah, you know, knocking on some wood, I hope that don't happen to me on the trip. But yeah, so that's all I got, and then I will catch up with y'all when I'm doing the next thing for trip prep. So it's the next day, y'all. It is Monday, so just give y'all a brief context about what we're about to do. We're about to start on the hair portion of this video, because my hair appointment is tomorrow. It's after work. I'm gonna just wash and blow dry it out. Thank God I do not have to straighten it, because but before I wash my hair, I always detangle with the Aussie Moist. So I got a little bit more left in here, and I bought this yesterday at Walmart. I showed y'all yesterday, but I always have to go in and detangle with this. I'll show y'all that, because I basically detangle my hair first. But y'all, my hair gets so matted, and I work out. So like my hair, I can barely run my fingers through this right now, but I might as well show y'all this too. So I got this at Sally's. So this is Bun Bar. It kind of puts you in the, it's kind of like an Oliplex dude, because it's like Bun Bar number 5, and this is number 4. So this is the bonding conditioner, bonding shampoo. Now this is actually really good. Like, the girl, I was in there and I was asking her what works good for natural hair. She was like, try this. And I was like, girl, don't lie to me. She was like, girl, I got natural hair too. I wouldn't lie to you. I said, is it for black people hair? She was like, yeah. So that does real good. So I have a little bit of that left, and I just do like 2 rinses. And then I just use, this is my detangling brush. I don't know why I was detangling with a comb for all these years. Like, as soon as I got this brush, like, chef's kiss.
Oh, baby, does it do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, oh, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no.
got the lights, so we good.
So you just recording and then you just gonna edit. Okay. Is it on now?
It is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, YouTube.
You're irreplaceable, delectable, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable.
This vlog probably all over the place, but it's the next morning. It's like 6 in the morning. I know I came home and went straight to bed yesterday. Y'all saw a little clip of it, but I'll show it to y'all more in depth in a minute. But after my hair appointment, we got done at a decent time, but I be going to bed because I be having to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So as soon as I came home, like I showered and I got into bed. But I woke up early this morning. Well, I always wake up at 5 anyway, but instead of going to the gym this morning, because I already did my 2 days, I said I'm gonna like give y'all this content because I feel like I just haven't talked to y'all. So I just did my skincare, but I want to go ahead and do like a haul of what I got, of the stuff I got. So that's what we finna do now, are the packages. So this first package is from my girl's brand. Shout out to you, Kaya. This is from her brand is called ID by Distinct, and I will have her information, her website linked down in the description box, because y'all, if y'all want good quality jewelry, eyewear, like necklaces, anklets, stuff like that, y'all definitely check her out. She ships to anywhere, so I'm gonna link her website down below. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got from her brand. Like I love getting packages from her. It be the details for me. I'm gonna show y'all. Got this is ID. And she writes you a little handwritten note. Like you don't get that from companies. So she said, "My good sis, for some reason I'm so excited about these 2 picks for you. They're definitely not regular degulars. We have cute different mix. As always, thank you girl for your support, my girl KT from ID." So y'all be sure to check out the brand. But like I said, like how cute are these, y'all? Like, stop playing. And like the outfit I got to go with this, between the hair, the outfit, the shoes, like it's like a pink thing. But stop playing with it. Cute too. This is from ID'd by Distinct. Like I said, her information is gonna be listed in the description box, so y'all be sure to go shop, because like I said, you can't, for one thing, Shein and these other places, they're not gonna write you handwritten notes, and then it's not gonna be, when I say I got this almost like the next day, like other brands just not doing that. So this is a real, you know, this is real top quality. Shout out to my sis. So we're back. The last time we chit-chatted was this morning at 6 a.m. Now it's currently 9:30. I just showered, I ate. I took on this project and I had to basically I had to like do this display, like a wall of honor, all on my own. So I had to leave work, go do that. And now went to get some food, showered, ate. Now I'm back at home, but we still have packing to do. I swear, it's the life of a content creator, because even when you dog tired like I am right now, you still gotta push out that content like I was talking about this morning. So I apologize for not talking as much as I really wanted to, but this is the hair. It's pulled back right now. I swear I'm gonna show y'all it down and everything like that. But so we just finna hop into this little montage of packing. I'm gonna try on my clothes first, then I'm gonna pack everything up. This is my suitcase right here, and then this is like my toiletries bag, And then this is gonna be my carry-on for the trip. It's gonna have like my laptop, my iPad, all that stuff like that. So I'm gonna hurry up and get this done because I'm ready to get in bed with my feet together. Like,
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.